Now students, we are going to practicing the sentence there are. We have already learned about it. Right now? Okay. Now we are going to practicing it here. Okay? You have to answer me my questions in the form of there are. Okay? Ready? Okay. Then stand up, Roshni. Now tell me, how many writing boards are there in the class?
Three writing.
No.
There are three writing boards in the class.
Very good girl. So silent class for her. Okay. Now Geeta, please stand up. Now tell me please, how many windows are there in the class? Count the windows. Huh. Yes. Tell me answer. There are. Huh? How many windows? How many windows? Okay. Then tell me there are. Huh? Huh? Very good. Repeat the answer please. There are
There are
three windows. Yes. In the class. Okay. Now stand up, Atish. Now tell me how many benches are there in the class? Count the benches and tell me. Don't talk. Pratiksha. 12 benches. Then tell me the answer. There are.
12 benches in the class.
Very good. Silent class from him. Please repeat the answer. Don't sit down. Please repeat the answer.
There are 12 benches in the class.
Very good. Good boy. Now stand up, Janvi. Now tell me how many girls are there in the class? You can count loudly also. You can count loudly also, beta. How many girls? Huh?
There are 10 girls in the class.
Very good. Is it right?
Yeah.
Very good. Silent clap for her. Now stand up, Renuka. Renuka, now tell me, how many boys are there in the class?
There are 7 boys in the class.
Very good. Silent clap for her. Okay.